AI is changing the world, whether we like it or not. And it's essential now that you up-level your skills to learn how to use AI effectively, whether that's for your business, your company, or just for yourself, so that it makes you more employable. And one of the best places that I've found with a multitude of courses and the place that you can learn all of these essential skills now is Coursera. And I've just logged into my Coursera account right now. And I'm going to show you how it all works and how you can start learning these super essential AI skills. So just up here, you can see at the top left, it says Add Career Goals. So you're able to click on that and then tell basically Coursera exactly what your situation is and why you want to learn all of these different skills. And then it will take you through and then start recommending all of these great courses. There's a free trial as well, so you can jump in and actually start using the training and getting involved in the courses, seeing how it all works, and learning for free, effectively, for a week. And then I'll run through the pricing later, but there's a link underneath the video if you want to just sign up and then go and try them out. But here's how it works then. So just up here, if we go to Explore, you can see all of these fantastic roles that they've got, like data analyst, data scientist, UI and UX designer, machine learning engineer, which is going to be very important. But just over here, if we look at the trending skills, you can see that artificial intelligence is right up there. And Python is right up there as well, because Python is one of the best languages to learn at the moment if you want to start doing vibe coding, for example, in AI. So if we go to artificial intelligence just now, here you go. Look at all of these courses here. We've got deeplearning.ai, we've got Google, AWS, a ton of amazing different courses. You can see the ratings of them just there. So this particular Google one, Introduction to AI, is 4.8 with 11,000 reviews. So they're very high quality courses. And then the skills that you're going to gain: generative AI, AI enablement, artificial intelligence and machine learning, AI workflows, and loads more. And then the course is like 1 to 4 weeks. Some of them are a lot longer, like this one, this Google AI Essentials, that's like 3 to 6 months. So there's some really long ones, but you can kind of work at your own pace. But let's take a look at this Google one just now. And then you see here, it says, starts on January the 21st, i.e. today. And then when you've signed up to Coursera free, you just click Enroll for free, and then you get a 7-day full access trial to that course. So there's 4 modules in this one. And then importantly, there's the outcomes. So exactly, what it is you get from doing the course. There's the different modules, and then you can earn a career certificate there as well. So that's really good because you can add these new skills that you get from doing all this training to your LinkedIn, which really does help if you're trying to become employed by a big company who's looking for AI people, of which there are many at the moment. So let's click Enroll. We'll start my free trial just here, and then we can just select our country, and then we just put in our credit card details just there. I'll do that now so that we can move through to the next phase. There we go. So that's all done. And by the way, I just saw that the price there was £36 a month after the 7-day trial, which is absolutely amazingly low price when you consider that there's literally hundreds and hundreds of top quality courses on the platform. And you can stop anytime you want anyway. So here we go then. This is how it works. My commitment, let me zoom in a bit. I'm beginning my learning in Introduction to AI. I know learning can be hard, but I have the patience, determination, and discipline to reach my goals. There you go. And there's a bit of advice there on what to do if you get a bit stressed out and stuck. So I'm committing to completing this course now, and I click Start the course. There you go. They've got straight into it just now. I'll turn the volume down just there. Yeah, so there's a really nice introduction. So the way that the courses work, you've got your video there in the center. You can go ahead and speed through a little bit if you want to get through it quicker, and you can hear and take it in okay. Then we've got a full transcript underneath, and then notes just there. So as you're going through the course, you can actually save notes. Do you see just here where it says Save Note? So you can make a little note as you go through everything. And then you've also got the ability to go ahead and download the videos as well if you needed to do that for any reason. And then when you've finished with one section, you move on to the next. Here we go. If we just click Mark as completed, you'll see on the left it's got a green tick, so you can keep a track of where you are whilst you're learning the course. And then you've got Module 2 down here, and you can move around freely throughout the courses. So you don't have to necessarily do them in order, which can be very frustrating sometimes when you're forced to do one after the other in the order that's set for you. You might want to flit about a little bit, but once you've done it, you're able to, as I say, just mark it as completed, and then move on to the next thing. But really, really good high-quality courses. So that's the first course that we've looked at. Now let's just go over here and take a look at someone else's course. Now what I like is that you can use these filters as well to find the perfect course for you. So if we just go to Filter and Sort, just up here, you've got all of your topics right there. The duration is very important as well. You know, what might be a good idea is if you start off with a really small course that literally, like it says there, less than 2 hours, just to actually get familiar with the platform and actually start a course and complete it. I think that's really good for you mentally to do that. And then learning products, look at these. So we've got guided projects, build job relevant skills in under 2 hours with hands-on tutorials. So if you want to kind of follow along, that's really good there. Then we've got straightforward courses, but also professional certificates. There's 57 courses here that give you a professional certificate, which is fantastic. And then also bachelor degrees there as well, 19. But let's click on professional certificates. There we go. And then click View. So now you've got all of these great courses offered by Google, Microsoft, IBM, Vanderbilt University as well. I saw some really, really high quality courses. Now, as I said, this is perfect if you are an individual looking to up-level your skills with AI with the potential of being employed. But also, if you're a business, just at the top here, you can see that we can just click on there. And then it will show you all of the benefits as a business as to why you should join Coursera too. And then speaking of prices, I've got my prices in pounds sterling, of course, so yours may appear in your own currency depending on where you're based. But for individuals, you're looking at £36 or £59 per month to learn a single topic or skill. But for just £44 a month, you get access to 10,000 different courses. You can earn unlimited certificates as well. So this one is probably the best value plan right there. And then if you're a business, you can do Coursera for Teams there as well and have anywhere between 5 and 125 users all benefiting from this amazing training. Oh, I've just seen at the top there as well that you can save 50% if you buy annual access to Coursera at the time of doing this video anyway. So you get access for just $149. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.